Hi, Bruce Sullivan here. I'm with Greg Jones, Cedar Clean out of Canada. And Greg's going to tell you the areas that he services to clean the cedar shake roofs like the one behind us. Greg's helping us with that today. We're in Stuart, Florida. Fortunately for us, but all you great Canadians, he's going to be your cedar shake service provider. What areas do you service, Greg?
I'll be servicing the Greater Toronto area, Oakville, Mississauga, Hamilton, and down through Niagara Falls area, and also Muskoka area.
Muskoka area. Okay, well great. What we're going to do is take a couple more minutes. I want to show you how Greg applies the solution from a ladder without walking on the roof, and how he rinses it with a garden hose pressure and not a pressure washer. So we'll be doing a little video of that, and then we'll come back at the end and show you the results. So stay tuned. We're looking forward to have Greg come and service you in the Greater Canada area. Thank you. Yeah, this is Greg Jones out of Cedar Clean, Canada. As we said, I'd show you how he puts his solution on. As you can see, he's working off a ladder, and he's using a non-pressure process. He's just spraying that solution on to saturate all those shingles to kill the algae, moss, mold, mildew, lichen, and fungi. And you can barely see the spray coming out of the end of his spray gun. Now he's just changed the angle so that he can go across and make sure he covers every shingle. And as he goes across, it's saturating all those shingle shakes. It's going to clean all that fungi and mildew and algae and mold. And you'll see at the end of the video, we'll show you that. But I wanted to show you how Greg applies the solution to your cedar shake roof when he comes out to clean it. And again, he does everything off of a ladder. Never walks on a roof. You should never walk on a cedar shake roof unless you have to. Most of the time that's to do repairs. Okay, I wanted to show you Greg here from Cedar Clean, Canada. A little overcast today because we've had a few showers come through here, but as you can see, he's rinsing with a garden hose. Just a simple garden hose pressure. And again, he's doing everything from the ladder, but he's rinsing every shingle. Cleaning all the algae, moss, mold, mildew, lichen, and fungi. And he'll go across every shingle. And that's what you can expect when you call him out to have him maintain and extend the life of your cedar shake roof. As you can see, there's a vast difference already in the condition of the roof versus what you see here on the right is still yet to be done. And of course, this is the section he's doing right now. And once it's all completed, we'll come back and show you what that is. Yeah, Bruce Sullivan again here with Greg Jones from Cedar Clean, Canada. I just wanted to show you the job behind us that Greg just finished cleaning up. As you remember earlier in the video, it was all black and dirty with algae, mildew, fungi. Now he's cleaned all that off the roof and it looks like a brand new roof. What we're going to do is at the end of this video, there'll be the contact information. You can get a hold of Greg so that you can have him come out, take a look at your roof, clean it, restore it, and extend the life of it for many years to come. Thank you, and for all you good people in Canada, get a hold of Greg to have your roof restored and extend the life of it for many years to come. Thank you and have a nice day.